going to
of the
Hudson
River
River.
is the state of New Jersey. And straight ahead is the George Washington Bridge, connecting New York to New Jersey. Just look at it. Across the way is called the Palisades of New Jersey. New Jersey happens to be a beautiful state. It's called the Garden State of America. It is the most densely populated state in all America, yes, even more than California. And unfortunately, the people in New Jersey, of any state of the 50 in America, pay the highest taxes in America. Here's the George Washington. People keep asking me, where did the plane crash land on the Hudson River? Well, not here, but on this river down near the Empire State Building. We will be entering Harlem, and that will be our next stop. Anyone getting off in Harlem? No? Well, then I'll tell you as we go by. We'll be going through in about 15 minutes, so I'll tell you quite a bit about it.